Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, we are from BML 2 which is group 2 and today we will present and explain regarding our poster which is C PILOTAGE. Before that, let me introduce our group members starting with me. My name is Muhammad Nasrusha Abraham and we have Muhammad Syariman bin Muhammad Halipi, and the second one is Maya Maisara binti Saniputra, and the last one is Nur Syafika Akila binti Samendra. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nasrul Shah bin Abraham, and I will be presenting what is the meaning of pilotage. So, pilotage is a method of navigating a vessel through unfamiliar waterway using a visual reference and physical landmark, rather than relying on electronic navigation system. This practice involves a skilled navigator called pilot who have extensive knowledge of a local waterways, including their depth, current, and hazard. Pilotage is essential in areas such as coastal regions, port, and river, where precise navigation is crucial for ensuring safety of a vessel and to prevent of accidents. The second one is, what is the purpose of pilotage? The purpose of pilotage to ensure a safe navigation of a ship in a busy area and help a vessel avoid hazard like reef, rocks, and shallow areas. And there are three types of pilotage, which is inshore pilotage, harbor pilotage, and river pilotage. Last but not least, the benefit of pilotage. Why we are using pilotage in designated area is to reduce the risk of accident and grounding and to enhance the operational efficiency in a busy shipping lanes. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Maya Maisara. I'm going to talk about the service pilotage. The service pilotage for pilotage involves a guiding vessel through complex or narrow waterways to ensure the safe navigation and docking. The key steps involved in the pilotage service procedures are: the first one is pilot request and boarding. The vessel's captain or operators request a pilot through the vessel traffic service, which means VTS. The pilot boards the vessel using a pilot ladder or a launch board to ensure safe boarding. And then the second one is master pilot exchange and navigation. Once on board, pilot discusses the passage plan with the ship's master, which is the captain. This exchange includes details about the first one is vessel handling, and the water depth, and the potential obstacles, and the expected weather conditions. The pilot then guides the ship through restricted water using activities to avoid hazards and ensure smooth navigations. The third one is communication and coordinations. The pilot maintains constant communication with port authorities for traffic updates and docking clearance. Tugboats for additional support in maneuvering, and then other vessels is to avoid collision and ensure a clear path. And then the pilot uses VHF radio in AIS, which means Automatic Identification System, for communication and tracking. The fourth one is docking and undocking. The pilot assists in maneuvering the vessel to berth or guiding it out the port. Tugboats are often used to provide additional support in positioning the vessel after docking or undocking. The pilot disembarks using a ladder or a large boat to once the vessel is secure. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Syariman bin Muhammad Halipi. I will cover about equipment during the pilotage service. So the first point is communication and navigation equipment. So effective communication and precise navigation are essential for safe pilotage. The following equipment ensure situational awareness and coordination. So first equipment is VHF radio. Allows continuous communication between the pilot, ship's crew, port control, and tugboat to ensure safe navigation and docking. The second equipment is AIS, in bracket, Automatic Identification System, help in tracking nearby vessel, preventing collision, and monitoring ship movement in real time. The third equipment is handheld GPS device, assists in accurate positioning and navigation, especially in low visibility condition. So, why this is important? Without proper communication and navigation, a vessel could be face grounding, collision, and delay in entering or leaving the port. Okay, the second point is emergency and rescue equipment. Emergencies such as man overboard in bracket MOB incident or accident can occur during pilotage. The following equipment helps in rapid response. So the first point is MOB system, which is man overboard system. Include lifebuoy, rescue line, and retrieval device to recover a person from the water quickly. The second point is rescue boat, which is pilot boat, a dedicated vessel designed for quick intervention if a pilot falls into the water or in case of an emergency on board. So why this is important? In emergency, fast response is necessary to save life and prevent injuries. A well-equipped vessel and port rescue team ensure safety during pilotage. So the third point is personal protective equipment, in bracket PPE. So pilot and crew member must wear PPE to reduce the risk of injury while traveling between vessel or navigating in challenging conditions. So the first equipment, the important equipment is life jacket or personal floating device (PFD). So this life jacket, the function is to keep the pilot afloat if they fall overboard, increasing survival chance. So the second equipment is helmet. Helmet is to protect against head injuries during embarkation, disembarkation, or movement on the deck. So the third equipment is protective footwear, in bracket nor flip boots, to ensure stability on wet or slippery surface, reducing the risk of fall. So why it is important? PPE provide physical protection against potential hazard, ensure that pilot can safely carry out their duties without unnecessary risk. So that's all for me.
Safety procedure. Before arrival, it is crucial to establish effective communication between the pilot, vessel, and port authorities well in advance. In addition, boarding arrangements, vessel details, and potential navigation risks must be confirmed. Furthermore, a thorough risk assessment should be conducted, taking into account factors such as weather, tides, and traffic conditions. During pilotage, although the pilots provide navigation advice, the master remains in command. Therefore, the bridge team must actively monitor the vessel's position and progress. Moreover, adherence to collision regulation is essential to ensure safe navigation and maintain situational awareness. Additionally, speed must be carefully adjusted based on traffic, water depth, and maneuvering constraints. Finally, before the pilot disembarks, the vessel must be in a safe navigational position. To ensure a secure ladder transfer, speed should be reduced while maintaining vessel stability. At the same time, it is important to confirm that the pilot board is ready for a smooth and safe departure.